In the previous modules, we learned what a blockchain is in simple terms, its history and timelines, and the categories of blockchains. We learned that centralization or decentralization is one of the key differentiators of categorizing blockchains. In this module, we will learn more about centralization and decentralization. What are centralized or decentralized systems on a blockchain? Before the advent of blockchain, the world centered on centralization. Central governments, central banks, etc. Blockchain offers a choice between centralized and decentralized systems. We will examine both in detail. What is a centralized system? A central authority manages a centralized system. The central authority makes all major rules regarding the operation of the system. The advantages are better governance, as a few people make the decisions. Often they are qualified people with skills and experience. Quicker decision making. Predictability of performance due to the limited number of players. Avoids overheads like consensus. The limitations are it is less democratic and less transparent decision making. What is a decentralized system? A decentralized system is crowd managed. All the users manage it collectively. Everyone has the same rights and the same level of access. The advantages of this system are democratic governance, ensures no one can do anything behind the backs of others, more scrutiny on the decisions, which in turn promotes better decision making. The limitations are, if the members are not a cohesive group, conflicts will arise. Consensus will be hard to achieve. Delays in decision making as a large number of people are involved. Involves additional costs like mining. Here, we will compare centralized and decentralized systems. Now, why is blockchains gaining importance? The importance of blockchain technology is underscored by how quickly it has been adopted. As a technology, blockchain can deliver significant benefits. More transparency due to the decentralized nature of a typical blockchain. For instance, if a city's land registry records are stored on a blockchain, then all the stakeholders can see what is happening. Bogus land records and fraudulent land deals will be a thing of the past. Provenance and title. Due to the immutable nature of the blockchain, ownership rights can be well established. Improving government accountability. Generally, governments are perceived as slow, bureaucratic, and non-responsive. When all interactions between the government and the public happen through blockchains, the status of the transactions will be visible to everyone. For example, if a specific government agency takes too much time to act on a service request, the delay will be visible to every party on the blockchain. Hence, they will be more likely to complete it faster. Better security. By ensuring that the data cannot be tampered with and by encrypting it end-to-end, blockchains make data safer. Privacy issues can be handled by anonymizing personal data and making it a permissioned blockchain. Since information is stored across several computers on a network, hacking is more difficult. Traceability. Blockchain, by its very nature, creates an audit trail which documents the ownership of an asset at every stage. Hence, tracing who has done what is never a problem. Higher speed and efficiency. Since all the parties interact on the blockchain and all the documents supporting a transaction can be stored on the blockchain, paperless working is promoted and transaction completion is faster. Since all the users have the same view of data, reconciliation effort is avoided, contributing to better efficiency. Smart contracts. Smart contracts provide the key functionality of an automatic, effortless execution of business rules. Once the required criteria are met, the smart contracts are triggered automatically. This ensures an objective application of rules for everyone. For example, in deciding whether a person is eligible for a social benefit or not, a smart contract can be impartial and objective and decide based on a predefined set of rules. This also helps in eliminating corruption and favoritism. To summarize this module, in a centralized blockchain system, a central authority manages the system. A decentralized system is collectively managed by the users. Both centralized and decentralized have their own benefits. Governments, organizations, and companies want control over their assets even when they have to give up efficiency. But decentralization is here to stay. And with time, it will grow as more companies will realize the benefit of it.